Hello, Kingston family. You can find out everything that's happening with the band program at kingstonband.weebly.com. We have a project going on right now with the marching band 8 through 12 of Runaway Baby that we're going to put together for what would have been our Kingston Days performance. I just wanted to assure everyone that no matter if we're in person or virtual, we will still make great music and still have great performances. I have a lot of exciting things planned for this year, and I will see you very soon.